The objective of this project was to develop lines of evidence, decision tools, and recommended metrics to better assess the performance of treatment technologies for PFAS. We have graphically illustrated how each line of evidence could be collectively incorporated into decision tools and metrics to inform the overall assessment of a PFAS treatment technology. On this project, Geosyntec worked with PFAS researchers at the University of California at Berkeley, the Colorado School of Mines, and Oregon State University to develop 3 lines of evidence. The first involves a measured decrease in target PFAS concentrations while quantifying or controlling for common losses and attempting to close the mass balance. The second line of evidence focuses on identifying a mechanism that is consistent with previously published research and is supported by kinetic data, the detection of intermediates, control study results, or other research findings. And finally, the third line of evidence focuses on the detection of PFAS transformation products, including shorter chain intermediates, fluoride, or carbon. Throughout this project, we've also identified best practices for researchers, including the use of established commercial and research analytical methods, study design considerations such as triplicate analyses, using a variety of controls, and using statistical methods to assess variability and reproducibility. Other considerations that may decrease the effectiveness of PFAS treatment should also be evaluated, including concentrations of PFAS and co-contaminants, ionic strength, pH, temperature, or other water quality parameters. This project led to the development of fact sheets that describe each line of evidence, best practices, and other considerations. We've also developed checklists for evaluating specific PFAS treatment technologies, a list of frequently asked questions with answers, and a guidance document. These resources can be used to inform reviews of PFAS treatment technology effectiveness and also to identify knowledge gaps and priorities for future testing. The overall objective is to provide technology developers and evaluators with clear metrics for strengthening research plan and study design, accelerating the development of promising PFAS treatment technologies, and improving the return on research investments.